Breakers, yeah. I've been thinking of like only taking breakers on certain accounts now instead of like if I prioritize like if I only took first serve alley gap on most days, like shit, win rate would be way higher. Like breakers are literally like 70% of my losses.
Yeah. It's like, bro, I don't know. It's because if I want to risk 400 per trade, I need to be about half. I know I'm not taking shit garbage trade fair value.
Mm-hmm.
So I lose that shit. But in the end, it'll be a breaker set of that stuff. I'm like, damn, already lost 400. I could just risk small. Yeah, I risk small. Fuck it. I risk the 400, then I'm like, I literally risk so small it doesn't, but it can still give me some bread.
Oh my god.
Right now, I'm 8
Right now, I'm just waiting to post open. Like it's NFP, so I'm just being safe.
Yeah, just let a 15-minute SMT play out and then take the gap. There's literally nothing I check daily unless I just miss something. There's no daily SMT, no 4 hour. All I know is straight.
I'm on the wrong account. Oh yeah, I saw that we were dumping. I was like, I'm gonna do my analysis when I'm live because like I'm not even gonna what's it called again? I know I'm not gonna trade pre-market today. There's gotta be a better way of me like posting on my IG every single time I'm live. Like I think most of these guys already know that I'm live, so I don't have to be doing this. But I'll check my
You think you're
stats.
gonna do like,
Wait, what?
I say you think you're gonna do like a weekly, well, what does that work? So once every other week stream, or you gonna do every other week?
I don't know. I still don't know yet. Like I wanted to go every day this week because like I said I would do that like a while ago and I didn't. So this week I made sure I got that done. My videos, I still don't know what my schedule is gonna look like, but I'm gonna try to at least post weekly. But I'm gonna have like a bunch coming in soon because I have like already a lot of trade reviews. Like I have videos in the file, I just have to edit them. I've just been lazy, bro. And then outside of that, I really don't know. Like I might just drop a couple videos on my model and then just become a live stream. Like have people just know me for live streaming and grow that way. I have video see. Wait, I gotta make sure I don't have an echo. Shit. Okay, wait, okay, I don't have an echo, right? Wait, why is my desktop audio not picking up? Does it sound like I've been talking to myself this entire time? Yo, wait. Chat, can you guys hear the other guy that's in this call? Or does it sound like I'm talking to myself? Yo, I'm actually about to be mad, bro, because why is it doing that? They can't hear it? Bro, why? Um, okay, so I'm actually gonna intentionally give myself an echo so then they could be able to hear you. And let me move my mic really quick so that it works out. Does my mic want to? Okay, there we go. All right, yo, Swansea, talk.
LeBron James could have been the 76th president.
Okay. All right, there we go. It's working now. We're straight. All right, let me read this chat. What's up? What's up, Zord? What's up? You looking at Taken? Yes, I am. I am. But that's for like the future. Future. This is my baby car right now. Like this. You know how I used to call ES my baby girl? This is gonna be my baby girl, bro. I swear. But give me a while though. It's gonna be a while though. Like a very while though. What's up, Wick? The other Wick. What's up, Rengoku? No SMT for the last hour. Yeah, I'm waiting till post open, bro. I'm not worried about. What's up, Matt? What's up, Swan? You're in the car. What's okay? Let me see. What up, DJ Lay? You talked last night. Let me go close my door.
All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, I could never give it up. Yeah. Step up in the field. Oh, up.
Yo, that song used to have niggas in a headlock, bro. What year was that?
Crazy.
I don't even know
Bro,
what year that was. What else,
that was a
Diane?
generation.
That was like a while back.
Mm-hmm. Yo, no cap, I do need your playlist though. Whichever one got Sonder on it, I need that.
Oh, I got you right now, actually. I just cooked up some crazy shit. It's called oh wait, a couple of the songs you're not even gonna be able to get because like they're like files, but I'll just add them. I'll tell you where to how to get them.
That's cool with me.
Um okay, share, copy link. All right. I just sent you the playlist. What's up, Bash? Yo, I don't really have an analysis right now. Actually, let me just do one for y'all. Just really quick. We got 17 people in here. By the way, this is insanity, bro. Like, I really don't like. I still can't believe that I'm like averaging this many viewers on the daily. Like this, like I appreciate every single one of you guys. But let's actually get into the chart. What y'all are here for? I mean, yeah. If you want my playlist, DM me on Discord or Insta. It doesn't really matter. Just DM me saying playlist. I got you. Um, yo, was watching in depth SMT, and there's a thing called Stage 2 SMT, which I think it's high probability. Have you heard of it before? I think you might be talking about like Zach said, you might be talking about sequential SMT. I personally don't I don't like I've heard of these type of things, but I don't really use them for real. Like I use I got you. I use what's it called again? Like session, previous day, and 15-minute SMTs instead of 4-hour PD rays. Like those are the SMTs that I use. I don't really care for sequential or whatever other types of SMTs they talk about. What's the best educational video you have watched for breakers? Go to T Trade's channel and search up breaker blocks, and you'll find it. Anything like if you need help with any type of ICT concept, just go to T Trade's channel and search it up. I promise you it's there. Like I promise you. And he's the best. Like he's the best for explaining these concepts, bro. Every single person who comes to me like that's kind of new. Yeah, everyone who comes to me that's kind of new, like that needs like help with the concept, I tell them go to T Trade's channel. You'll find it there. And also after I give my analysis, I want to like talk about last stream and what y'all can learn from it. So for now, yeah. So for now, look, we're gonna see that we see that on the daily. Right, let me go on the weekly. So we might be okay, yeah. So we took out the previous week high, obviously. Now we took the previous week low out. Let's check ES. ES has done the same, right? The previous week low below that is right here. Let me just have that marked out. And NQ is just right here. By the way, I'm gonna stop screen sharing because like I'm already on live and it's gonna make me lag. So yeah, there's no previous week SMT, and the nearest weekly draw is these lows. All right, let's go on the daily. You'll see on ES that we actually came down and swept all the way up until Tuesday the 22nd, right? And we left this Thursday low, right? Thursday the 17th. I believe NQ did the same thing. What's up, Kamal? I believe NQ did the same thing. We left this Thursday low and we swept everything before then. So there's no daily SMT on the chart right now either. We check the 4-hour. We've swept all of this here, right? We swept all the way up until Thursday the 17th. And we also did so on ES. All right. So there isn't a daily SMT, there isn't a weekly SMT, there isn't a 4-hour SMT. All right. It looks like we might stay bearish. Like no dominant SMT that we're really like worried about right now for stopping us on the downside. Because we do have like, I want to address something really quick. Most people, when they see like us already dumping, right? You're good, Swansea. Most people, when they see us already dumping, they want to like look for a trade in the opposite direction. Like they might force a trade in the opposite direction because like they want to catch the reversal, right? Like if they miss the move down, then they're looking for longs, and if they miss the move up, then they're looking for shorts. Sometimes you might just miss the move. An example of that is literally yesterday when I had missed the move down. Like I called it up here and I didn't take it, and then I try to force a trade in the opposite direction. That's not how it works sometimes. Right? Sometimes you're just gonna continue to distribute. You can't like force a trade like that. Another thing I want to address is if you guys remember what I was talking about, I was literally saying before you take any sort of trade, you need to ask yourself, am I going to be mad if I lose this trade? Because if you say yes, then you're like, this is probably a bad trade, or I'm putting way too much leverage on, etc. Because you're more than likely not following your plan. If you say no, then that means you are following your plan, you're accepting the risk you put on, and your chances of being, well, tilting afterwards is way lower. So what happened yesterday is I literally asked myself, am I going to be mad if I take this trade? I did, and then I lost it. And then I proceeded to blow my top set. I didn't blow my MFUs, I didn't touch my Tradeify, but I blew my top step because of that. So that's the consequences of not following your rules. That's an example of what I was saying playing out. I want, if you guys want like a psychological lesson, I really recommend going back into that video and like look at the thought process, because like it could be similar to yours. Like anything can happen. So that's just a lesson I have for y'all. I'm not trying to present myself as some know-it-all guru. I'm being as transparent as possible. So, all right. It's fucking 6 p.m. Yeah, Spies looking bearish. Yeah, blew 23K yesterday. Oh yeah, Matt. Yeah, that was. We go through it, bro. We go through it, but yeah, today should be a better day. I'm at I need one more trade for a payout. Like if I win my trade on my Tradeify today, I get paid out 3K. So my MFUs are still struggling with that consistency rule, bro. Yeah, of course, bro. I'm not here to like act like I'm better than everyone. You know, if people want to think that, then I'll let them think that themselves. I'm not gonna put up a front. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what's going on. There's a dude in Top Step that blew his monthly P&L yesterday. Holy shit. I think yesterday got everybody. But really, that's this is what we signed up for. Like if you Like this is the game we're playing. I think we might actually want these lows. Yeah, this is the game we're playing, guys. Do Tradeify need monthly payment? I believe if you're doing the evaluations, yes. If you're using a straight to funded, I don't think so. I think SPY will pump a little until 10 a.m. before dropping. I mean, hope so, because like that means like I'll have a manipulation and then I could enter on the downside that way. Yo, Wick, if we take London lows at open, where can we aim to target? Do we just stick with 2R? I mean, like, that's up to you. I personally do think that we can come down to that next weekly low, but it's dependent. Let me also mark it on like good question. By the way, just so you know, we did take London lows already, technically. But if you're talking about like down here, then yeah, you could target probably further than that, in my opinion. Like I don't think we're just gonna take that and then reverse, you know. Let me go on the weekly. Here's another thing: you guys want to set alerts at wherever your TP is on NQ. Set an alert there on ES just in case if you get SMT. You don't want to like be holding your trade, not looking at the chart, and then you don't realize that the trade is retracing, not because that's part of the trade, but because of the fact that there's SMT. Yeah, yesterday was generational for anyone who got in pre-market. I've just been so used to like trading post open now that like I just don't be feeling comfortable with pre-market. But I know I could cook in pre-market. That used to be all I did. 850 macro was literally like my shit. But we'll be back on that soon. I got lucky yesterday. I didn't trade on my XFA, only my eval, and the eval lost like 650. Well, that sounds like risk managed no matter what the account size is. Like 650 isn't a terrible day. Like that's what one full size loss or like two small losses. Like that's not crazy. You're chilling, bro.
All right, I'm back.
What's up? I was just talking about how we possibly actually that's so deep, bro. The next weekly low is actually so deep. I might be chatting. Let me check the daily. Actually, I don't know if it's that crazy. Like I actually don't know if it's that crazy. We might actually come down to there because I don't see any other like resting lows. And I don't.
Wednesday low.
I'm talking about this Monday low, and this Wednesday low could be a target too. Yeah,
Oh shit. Yeah.
I believe
Oh yeah, I got that.
If the Wednesday low is a target, then I believe these lows are definitely a target too.
Yeah, those just in case.
Because I really don't know. Like it really kind of looks like it.
That'd be insane though. Just keep on dumping like that.
Yeah, but we've seen markets like that before, not so long ago, man.
Yeah.
Not so long ago. I would actually love to go back into like that type of like all you had to do was look for shorts. Like the bias was clear every single fucking day.
Shit, we just need Trump to keep speaking. Once the tariffs come back, oh yeah, I'm shorting everything.
Everything, bro. Everything.
No buy, no, and what's that shit called, bro?
No
That
bias,
shit
no
was
analysis. The
yeah,
moment
no
6 p.m.
analysis.
opens, just press that fat short button.
Like get up, I'm spamming 15 times.
Like look at this. There was legit days you could have shorted the open and then just held it throughout the day.
Thanks.
That's so funny. But that's not financial advice. Never do that. All right.
Yeah, bro. I don't have a bias, bro. I'm gonna just let the like. I don't even have a general knowledge of where this shit could.
I just don't see us going to the upside. Like unless if like something insane happens, Like I really don't see us going to the upside.
Unless we get daily low SM, not daily. It was some day that's kind of close by. What day is that? I got Wednesday low marked out, but like you said, Wednesday is taking out Mondays. Or
Well, if I gotta like turn off my Discord notifications, man. Here we
so why
go.
do I have 3 lines? I thought it was two. Oh, that's just another 4 hour. Or daily. Yeah, so I got Thursday, Friday, and then weekly low. Mark.
All right, news today or nah? I believe there was news earlier, like we had NFP. Yeah, 8:30. We have 10 a.m. news as well. I don't be caring about 10 a.m. news, as y'all know. I be training through that bitch. Wait, was I live that time? I actually don't know. That day that we was in shorts and then like the 10 a.m. news stopped me break even before I had to get back in. Like I don't know if I forgot if I was live that day.
Yeah, yeah, I forgot.
I don't know if I was just recording or live, but it really don't matter.
So you see us manipulating to the upside.
I don't know if I see us manipulating to the upside. I can't lie to
I
you.
say that the daily low is right there. Well, I think it's whatever the fuck. I got some shit marked out, and I know it ain't no bullshit.
There's a actually wait. Let me see. There's a daily low.
I got a 4 hour SMT right here. I got this 4 hour low that we're about to take. Then I got Wednesday and Monday.
Oh yeah, there's this Thursday low that we're near on ES, and NQ is also pretty close to it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Personally, I'd be holding through any type of 10 a.m. news. I believe that a 10 a.m. news is a distributor, and honestly, like I'm fine with the chances of me getting stopped on. Like, if I took a trade, 9 times out of 10, I'm okay with the risk I put on, and I'm okay with like losing it. So if that happens to be during news, it's either a quick TP or a quick L, and I get off the charts. Fine with either or. Bro, I wouldn't be surprised if the jobs are like actually that low. Do you know like this is like actually I'm not even gonna get into politics on my stream, bro. But most of y'all know where I stand.
To be honest, ES already took the Monday low, so I don't even know if that matters, but it just something I thought.
Glory asked me, how many trades do you take a day? Like ideally I'll take two, right? If I win my first, I'm open to taking a second. If I lose that second, I'm always off. Like I have to get off. If I lose my first, I'll take a second, and if I lose that one, I get off. Now, the scenario where I take more than two trades is if I win a trade, right? I win a trade on my second, and then I see a third setup. I personally, I'm a believer in if you see your model appearing multiple times and you're reading the price well that day, you can trade it. Like it really doesn't matter. Like especially with that breaker model, if you're good with that shit, you can catch every move in the day. Now, I don't want anyone to see that, hear that, and be like, "Oh, FOMO, I gotta catch every single move." You don't have to, I promise. But that's how I was moving in like what was it? May, like during the school year, I was catching every single move back then, and now I know better than to like be trying to do that because that can lead to unnecessary losses. So, but like if I see three good setups in a day, I'll take a third trade. If I had
Yeah,
lost already, I'm getting off.
we do have a 15-minute SMT.
Let me check. Okay, ES didn't take this data low. NQ
No, I'm talking
has.
about for the oh shit, we got that SMT too.
I'm gonna just wait till market opens. I think we're just. I honestly think we're just gonna like dump again, which is gonna be annoying. But you know,
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, ES took the 3:45 a.m. high and Q didn't.
hmm. Breaker that formed on the 5 minute. I mean, yeah, that should be valid. Is like the only reason why I wouldn't take it is because we're at the bottom of a range, and there's an. I don't believe there's an hourly SMT. NQ came up to at least Friday, at least 5 a.m. Oh, ES went into this gap. So there's an hourly SMT there. Friday here, yeah. Oh wait, that 5 minute breaker might be really valid.
Yeah, I just got it marked out.
4 a.m. It came into that 4 a.m. gap. And NQ, let me just make sure one more time. Yeah, NQ didn't take it. That's actually a good spot. This breaker should be valid.
It formed at 8:40, 8:34, and then it got confirmed at
It got confirmed in that on that 9:10 candle. So that was like outside, but it's a 5 minute swing. I think the breaker should hold, you know. I honestly want to take that. Oh yeah, I actually do want to take that.
I think we're marking our breakers out here.
I'm gonna take oh wait, holy shit. My stop loss is like gonna be bro.
So your swing low is the 8:34 or the
I'm on the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute. It would be the 8:30 low all the way to the high of this previous swing. That'd be crazy.
How many ticks is that?
432?
Yeah.
All right, I'll just I mean like this bitch might just distribute, bro. Like I'm already knowing how price be moving, but like oh my god.
We got 2 minutes, bro. Yeah, 4:32 though.
Let me think about what the math would have to be really quick for my trade over because I'm copy trading them, right? Um, I want I want to use two micros, right? Let me think. Wait, think. Well, hurry up, hurry up. Two, two, 10. So I have to put 10 down. I would just have to sell 10. All right, I'm gonna get in on my Tradeovates. I'm not gonna take this on my Tradeify.
I'm waiting, bro. Unless we get it at the plus 5, I can see that. I'm
Buy
waiting.
10, stop.
Cause we just made SMT with data lows.
I like the 5 minute breaker.
Mhm.
Even though we're at the bottom of a range, like I do have a chance, believe there's a chance that we just come down. If I get stopped out on this, you know, it's like what? Fucking $400 on my MFUs. That's fine. The trade on the account I'm worried about is my Tradeify. That's what I'm worried about.
I might just miss the move. I'm waiting on first fair value gap.
Yeah, I'm waiting for first fair value gap on my Tradeify. But we gonna see. We gonna see. Wait, what are you targeting? I'd be targeting the -2 of this breaker, which is actually just above that weekly low I was talking about.
Yeah, SMT works with equal highs, equal lows, right?
Oh, what do you mean by that? Like if
Like how yesterday we had, or one of these days we had equal lows at London.
yeah,
London low.
if one sweeps, if one sweeps and one makes equal, it's SMT.
Yeah, I'm taking one to the downside. No fucking gap, bro. Yeah. Like it's
Yo,
screaming.
can ES like not lag and take this data low already, please, 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 please? Like we know you're bearish, bro. You don't have to act like you're bullish, bro.
And it can't be the 9:30 candle.
Oh my god, my MFU is like lagging like a motherfucker.
Give us an inverse.
I would target the -2. 843.5. Holy shit, that thing is so far down.
No, dig.
By 10 limit. Okay. Alright. Well, let's see what's actually happening here now. So ES went and took this data low. ES is struggling to come back up. NQ actually came back up and swept its own high, while ES didn't. So we actually have a SMT there now.
The urge to just short this bitch is insane.
Why is is ES running now with NQ lagging? It is. Why is NQ lagging now? What? You serious, bro? No, I think NQ's gonna come. Like it's just playing around. It's playing a game. It's playing a game. Yeah, here we go. All right, we just need the gap to form, and then we'll short it no matter what. So I'm in on my MFUs, which is cool.
I might hate this bitch, bro.
Yeah, why is my computer so laggy? Oh my god. Bro, I just got stopped out by nothing. What do you mean? Wait, what happened?
Give us the gap mine. We took that Thursday low. ES is right there though.
Damn, my stop still gotta be big as shit, bro. Yeah, what are we doing, bro? What are we doing? What's ES? Where's ES at? I was in short. My SI was on AM highs, and my position just closed. I don't know what broker you're using, but that sounds ridiculous. What? People in my chat getting stopped out on this move for no reason. Allegedly. Good shit, Matt. Yo, I don't know how you stay with Apex, bro. I be hearing too much shit about them, but they working for you, so.
We do got Thursday SMT, but I'm still feeling short.
Yeah, I still feel like we're gonna continue to come down. So NQ came down and took this Thursday low, like you said. ES is, it's about to take it. It's like right there. Yeah, it's gonna take that shit.
I'm just trying to get a setup, bro. Like I know where it wants to go.
Yeah, I do believe we're gonna come down to those weekly lows, like no doubt in my mind anymore. Yeah, ES just took that Thursday low. Forget about it. Forget about it.
I might hold this shit all day, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Don't get too greedy. I'm taking my profits at that weekly low no matter what.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Cause that's heli pitch though.
It is.
It is NQ. I'm just not used to NQ's game. I'm used to ES having 60 ticks per day.
Man. Oh, how I miss ES. Not really, but
That's where we start off at, bro.
that's my OG. Yo, NQ, print this gap. Oh my god. Wait, let me look at YM, bro. YM Ben printed that gap, right? Yeah, this is the first fair value gap on YM, but I don't trade YM, so I can't take that. This YM be doing its own thing. I'm gonna be mad as hell if I'm gonna be mad as hell if some shit happen.
I'd just be scared to take pre-market shit, bro, because it usually get PD, and I'm just
Yeah,
I'm
I know. Like that's why I was a little bit afraid of this breaker. That's why I said I'm gonna take it on my MFU and not the what's it called?
there you go the gap, maybe.
Yep. Here we go. And it
That's
don't
my
even look like
therapy.
it don't even look like it's about to be that bad either. This looks actually good. But are we gonna retrace to it now is the question. That's the only question now. Now 350 divided by is it even gonna make a gap? Let's not even get excited yet.
Damn.
Damn. Wow. Wow.
Bro, give us the inverse something. I
Give
gotta
us
take the inverse.
something. Oh my god.
I will go crazy on it.
Give us fine. Go print a bullish gap and then let us inverse it. I'm fine with that.
That's what I want.
I'm fine with that. I'm not tripping. We just took out a daily low. No, let's get a little reaction. Let's come up a little bit. That's not ridiculous. Oh my god. No, but the gap's right here. The gap's right here. It's going to just come up right just like that. Then check ES2. 0932 Civi. Civi is just an imbalance, right? I don't know where that would. I don't know where to check that. 932 you said, so let me look. 932. Oh yeah, the first gap is there. I don't take it on ES though. It would be funny for me to take the final trade on ES, but actually I don't think it's that ridiculous. Like it doesn't have to be does it have to be NQ? 932 time wise. I'm very sorry if I'm looking stupid right now. Like at 9:32 a.m.
Patience is the name of the game.
Patience pays.
It's hard because when like I'm not, bro. I've never been more confident.
Yeah, I've never been more confident in a model than first fair value gap, bro. Like I've unmatched
Yeah,
confidence. Yo, Matt, I'm very
yeah,
sorry. I'm unable to understand what you're talking about because I'm just like I'm not here mentally right now. Okay, I think we're gonna print the gap here, but the question is again, are we gonna retrace to it? Question mark. This looks safe as shit too. All right, 169 is my stop loss, right? Let me just do 350 divided by 170.
309. Fuck.
So 4 micros, sell 4 micros here, I believe.
23.
At 991.
33.25.
992.25. Let me just place the order now. I already know this shit's gonna print. All right. So we're in on my MFUs. My MFUs have an amazing entry right now. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that. It's just a matter of is my trade if I gonna get filled. Yo, Wick, I never asked you how long you've been trading for. I took my first trade on March 20th, 2023. I didn't learn I learned what ICT concepts were in like the beginning of that summer, but I didn't know how to put them together. Like I was just taking random FVGs and order blocks on the 1 minute and random ass time frames. Like I was just trying shit. Like, and then in the middle of that summer, I started learning what order flow was, and I used like a fractal system and all that type of shit because that's what my trading friend group was doing at the time. And then oh my god, this is so unfortunate. Well, yeah, and then after that, I learned what a model was in November that year. I'm like pausing while I'm telling the story because I'm watching the chart. But in like November that year, I learned what a model was from Jacob Speculates, if any of you guys know who that is. And then even later that year, well, in 2024, I passed my first account. In 2025, 2024, I got my first payout. History sense. Let me focus on the charts now. -2 is right here. Let me start thinking about what my entry was and shit. Um, wow, this sucks. I don't think it's gonna retrace to that gap, bro.
Oh man, this week been fucking garbage. Oh my god, bro.
It's annoying, definitely, bro.
I got faith until we hit the -2.
Yeah, I'm keeping my order there until we hit the -2 of the breaker. We have like so many targets, bro. Like the next target, look at this. Next target is here. Wait, I pressed the wrong thing. Bro, where is it? Right here. Next target is here. Right below the -2.
Mm-hmm.
ES already looks like it's about to come down to that. It's right there, yeah. That's the only other thing we can hit. I'm gonna snack that shit. I'm up 3,000 across my accounts from this trade. Holy shit.
Bro, I might just get in. This shit is insane.
Chill, because that might be the time we pull and retrace. I'm just trying to tell you, like, it's better to miss a move than to like FOMO into it and get cooked. That's happened to me too many times. I've learned that lesson too many times, personally. Up 400 ticks right now on 8 cons on my MFU. Good shit, Zach. We both going. We both holding this. I'm out and done for the day. Have a great day. I'll catch you, Matt. Good shit, bro. Congrats on your payouts. If this TP hits, will this account pass in one day? Let me think. 075.50. Yo, I came in. Here we go. 3,000 divided by 6. I use 6 cons on that account. Bro, I'm out of drawdown now. GG's. Good shit, Zord. What's up, Yasmin? How you doing? Do I crash out with this no fill? Do not crash out. Do not crash out.
Crying
The
up over
one
that,
account,
bro.
yeah, the one account I want to get this in on, like I'm not in on. So please, please, please. Oh, who just joined the call?
Yo, sleep.
Oh, what up, Luke?
What's up, bro?
Man, you
Mad
joined you
late.
joined a little bit late, but we're here. We're here.
Mad late to the party, yo. My bad.
You're straight, bro. But today it was like, what's it called again? It was shorts, as you can see. All right.
Damn, I missed it.
Yeah.
Did you get in?
I got on one of my accounts. The first Valley Guy model didn't get filled today, unfortunately. But there was a breaker entry that I took on my MFUs. If I'm on 6 cons, that means it's moving one, two, $3 per tick. So I need to get 1,000 ticks. In order for me to have 1,000 ticks, I need to put my TP at 824.25.
You think there would be any more opportunities?
Um, I mean, after we sweep that weekly objective, possibly like that 28.0, like I think we're gonna take that weekly low, but I don't think it's gonna be anything like really nice after that. When it's gonna sweep the low 22385. Oh yeah, I believe we're gonna come way lower. Yeah, Yasmin. I don't know how you trade and talk to the chat, but okay, but have a good day. I'll talk to you soon, Yasmin.
Oh, snap, you're live right now. My bad.
No, you're good. I go live while I'm in the calls all the time. The only thing I'm gonna be cautious of is if we're about to hit this -2. Like I'm gonna close on some of my accounts when we're there. If you're feeling bad, I would just get off the charts. No bat, bro. Like real talk. It's best to like not even be worried about it. Full TP hit 3K across all accounts. I'll catch you later, Wick. GG's. Good shit, bro. I'll catch you around, Zach. I already know we're about to have a hell of a manipulation right before we hit the actual target. Like I'm already knowing, bro. Like that's how it always goes, man. We're gonna start retracing.
What time was that breaker? Just trying to look on my end.
Oh, go on the 5 minute time frame and then go on the 1 hour time frame, and you'll see that we actually had a um what's it called again? Let me like close on my actual fundeds really quick. Give me a second, sorry. Because I'm up enough on those. My eval, holy shit. My eval I'm gonna pass in one day. I don't give a fuck.
Was it maybe it's 8:30 something?
Yeah, it's an 8:30 breaker on the 5 minute. All right, so I'm up 1400 on my MFUs. I didn't make anything on my Tradeify, which was the account I needed to get a trade onto. Um, get the payout, but it's fine. Heading off. All right, bro. I'll catch you short. Have a good one. Be safe.
I'm canceling my order because if we hit break even, most likely.
Oh yeah, if we come up to that first share value gap, I don't even know what to think. Okay.
I'm about to just cancel everything. I'm gonna look for whatever I see if it's anything.
You know what I'm gonna do actually?
Like, bro, this shit is crazy. I ain't even tripping. We got next week. Like, cool. I just knew to get the fuck in though.
There was a couple. There was a couple options. There was this break, this 5 minute breaker, and I mean, like that was really it. That was actually the only entry. Yo, if Zord, I don't know who it was. Maybe it was Zord. I would have to go back and chat. But if that guy didn't say anything about that 5 minute breaker, I would have missed this.
I didn't seen, bro, the fucking pre-market breakers get PD so much. I'm just like, fuck this.
Yeah, I
Like, since I
understand that.
started
Like you want to be
trading
safe,
breakers, yeah,
because
since I started trading breakers, this is the first one I asked for it.
Just come up to speed. We're close to that -2, right? But we haven't hit it yet.
yeah, -2 is just like a couple ticks,
Yeah.
a couple ticks away.
I don't even know if I would feel comfortable long into
Zach, no ego, but it does get better than that. Look at this core count right now. We're like a couple ticks away from that one trade pass, and it's not even like it was like a crazy full port.
Bro, this shit is crazy. Oh my god, I'm tweaking this bitch, bro.
Damn, that first fair value gap definitely would have held too, bruh. That's annoying as shit. Is it actually minimum 2 days? I thought there was no consistency rule. If that's the case, I might if I close this trade right now, but let me just make sure. Let me go into MFU and ask. Someone said yes, but it hasn't updated on the website. Yes, bro, 50% on eval, none unfunded. Check your dashboard. Bro, bro, I'm actually still gonna be a little bit tight. Do I have to lose another $600, guys? Am I going through this again? Oh, there is a 50% consistency rule. You're right, bro. Minimum trading days, 2. Wow. All right, so I have to wait until this says 1500 before I close. Well, thank you for telling me, Zach. So I guess, yeah, you're right. It doesn't get better than that. I have to lose, let me just close now, right?
Order filled.
I need to lose $500. So let's buy stop loss 100. Because I think it's about to dump, right? So
Order filled.
no, just come back down, bro. Let me put the ATM. Let me make sure this isn't copy trading across my other accounts really quick. Okay, they're not in. Perfect. Just dump. Here we go. Come on. Let me just, okay. All right, so I need to lose 280 more dollars. I'm out, bro. Gotta work. I appreciate you. I'll catch you Monday. I'll catch you soon. 280 divided by 5. 280 divided by 5 equals 56. Let me just do 270. Wait, what is it? Let me do 53 ticks.
Order filled.
No. Hit my stop loss. Hit my stop loss. There we go. All right. Consistency rule. We're at 50% now. So we have passed an MFU core 700, 800 on one of my accounts, 800 on the other. And nothing on the Tradeify, which is extremely annoying. But I'm not gonna stress myself out about it.
Yeah, give us weekly SMT so I can pull for along.
Bro, chill. I don't think that weekly SMT is gonna hold. Like it looks like NQ just wants to. Looks like NQ wants to go into this gap, bro.
You're not gonna lie, Loki, because I want to be involved.
Yo, I was just talking about this earlier. When people see price going one way, they be just looking for a way for it to go the other. Keep thinking like, how can this continue to go down? NQ probably wants this weekly gap. We don't know if it's gonna do that today. It can. Like if you try to long now, it might be insanity. If anything, just wait for the next exit. Let me not even say that. I'm not even gonna say that on live. I can't say that on live.
You talking about fucking Wednesday the 2nd? That gap on a daily time frame?
On the weekly, check the weekly. Check the weekly gap.
Yeah.
Looks like we want to, like it looks like we might want to go into that.
Just took external, maybe going down to internal.
Damn, this is why I shouldn't have fucking. Yeah, this is why I shouldn't have fucking tweaked yesterday, bro. I could have held this short on my top step. Oh my god. Wow. This could have been a bag, bro. Fuck.
Take that one week. See.
Well, the first fair value gap on YM held. I'm about to start taking entries on them, on these other assets, because like the first fair value gap does hold on each one. I've only witnessed it mainly on NQ, but I'm starting to see it on like YM and ES as well. So if one doesn't provide entry, might just take it on the other. But yeah, this was a quick Friday. He is gonna hit -2 SCD of the 15-minute breaker, more than likely, yeah. But I'm gonna call it. I mean, like, there's nothing else I can take, and I don't want to force anything on my Tradeify. So yeah, that's like unheard of for ES, but we're in different times. You popped up on my For You page. Yo, I appreciate you tuning into the live, man. Thank you. Thank you for popping in, bro. I had caught this short just earlier. I made 800 here on one XFA, 800 on the other. And I half passed the core plan eval. I didn't know that I couldn't pass it in one trade, so I had to lose 600 here. And I didn't get to take anything on my Tradeify because I was waiting for the first fair value gap. Yo, if this 10 a.m. price holds, I'm actually going to be a little bit tweaked. I might tweak out. That'd be so cool to me. Because I've been learning about key opens. Oh my god, there's no fucking way, bro. Yeah, July was my best trading month. But I'm gonna actually call the live here. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's dying down. There's not much action to take left, you know? I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you guys all for tuning in this week. I'm gonna see if I can try to do like a lot of lives next week. I definitely won't be live every day next week, but I'm gonna try to do what I can for y'all. I will have more videos out soon, I promise. Like I know I've been lying about it. I've been lazy, but it's a new month. It's a new me. So, but play it safe trading. Please do not get FOMO. Please don't try to force longs. If you feel yourself like getting that FOMO or getting mad about anything, like just close the charts, move on with your day, figure out something else to do. the worst thing you could do right now is blow your account, because that's exactly what I did yesterday with my Top Step account when I was trying to like when I had missed a move, and instead of getting off the charts, I just try to force something. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys around.